Ghee and butter are both dairy-based fats that are commonly used in cooking and have distinct characteristics. Butter is made from churning cream, separating the fat from the water and milk solids. It contains about 80 to 85% milk fat, around 15 to 17% water, and a small amount of milk solids. Ghee is clarified butter, which means the water and milk solids have been removed through a heating and straining process. It consists almost entirely of pure milk fat. Butter has a rich and creamy flavor with a slight tanginess due to the presence of milk solids. It's often used to enhance the taste of dishes and baked goods. Ghee has a rich, nutty, and deep flavor. The process of removing milk solids during clarification gives ghee a more concentrated taste compared to butter. Butter has a lower smoke point compared to ghee, which means it's more prone to burning at higher temperatures. It's great for sautéing and baking but may not be the best choice for high-heat cooking. Ghee has a higher smoke point than butter, making it suitable for high-heat cooking methods like frying and roasting. It doesn't burn as easily as butter. Butter should be stored in the refrigerator due to its higher water content. It can become rancid more quickly than ghee. Ghee has a longer shelf life than butter due to the removal of water and milk solids. It can be stored at room temperature for several months without spoiling. Butter contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as some fatty acids. However, it also contains cholesterol and saturated fats. Ghee contains saturated fats, but it's also rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Some people believe that the removal of milk solids makes ghee easier to digest for those who are lactose intolerant. The choice between ghee and butter depends on your culinary preferences and dietary needs. If you're looking for a rich flavor and are not concerned about high-heat cooking, butter might be suitable. On the other hand, if you need a cooking fat with a higher smoke point for frying and want a more intense flavor, ghee might be a better option. Ultimately, both ghee and butter have their own unique characteristics and uses, so it's worth experimenting with both to see which fits best with your cooking style and tastes. Hope this was helpful. Keep learning.